everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Let's go from this to this. This is just one eyeshadow look, so let's do it. सबसे पहले color correction. So I'm taking a two-tone darker color concealer than my actual skin tone and applying on my eyelids and under eyes. Then I will blend it with my fingers only. And make sure कि आप उसको ज़्यादा blend नहीं कर रहे हो. It is meant to cover and color correct your darker spots and areas. देन अंडर आइज की कलर करेक्शन पे कुछ नहीं करना है अभी के लिए, बट फॉर eyelids just setting them with some loose powder to get a smooth surface. Now using this beautiful palette by Swarovski Beauty and taking this cool tone brown color eyeshadow, and this look is just one done eyeshadow look. तो हम इस मेकअप के लिए बस ये एक ही eyeshadow को यूज़ करेंगे. As you can see one side मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ, तो मैं आपको सेम दूसरी साइड पे करके दिखाती हूँ. बस हमें धीरे धीरे eyeshadow को डिपॉजिट करना है एंड ब्लेंड अच्छे से करना है, एंड एक साथ बहुत सारा eyeshadow नहीं लगा लेना. Now I'm taking a big clean blending brush without taking any product on it and just blending the edges with it. पहले मैंने tapered small blending brush use किया था to deposit the color on the lid. Now I'm going to use world's best eyeliner pen, which is NYX eyeliner pen in the shade dark black, and lining my upper lash line with it.
गलत क्या सही क्या मुझे ना पता है, तुम्हें अगर पता हो बता देना.
Time to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara.
पता हूँ तुम्हें अगर मिलूँ तो बता देना, खो न जाना मुझे देखते देखते तू ही जरिया.
Now to enhance my look, I'm applying some false lashes. This will just amp up this whole look instantly. To apply lashes hassle free, just apply glue on the lash band of the lashes and give it 30-40 seconds to dry and become tacky a bit, and then just follow the upper lash line shape and apply it. It is as simple as that, but then again, practice makes a man perfect. Now taking this flat pencil brush, taking the same eyeshadow on it and defining the lower lash line. This makes a huge difference in the eye look altogether. Now comes the complexion. Taking a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, the best foundation in my opinion, but you can use whichever you like. And I'm just mixing this with a liquid highlighter. Mixing and creating a concoction and applying on the skin and then blending it nicely. Please do not forget to cover and blend your neck also. For some brightness under the eyes, taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying just a tad bit. After applying concealer, wait for a while, like 30-40 seconds, and then blend to get more coverage out of it. I like to use my fingers only to blend, but you can go ahead and use a brush or a beauty sponge according to your liking. Totally up to you. Now to set the concealer, taking some loose powder on a powder puff and then applying under the eyes and immediately dusting off the excess powder using a fluffy brush. Now the blush time. I'm obsessed with cream blushes. Applying some on my cheeks and taking a liquid highlighter and applying 3 dots of it and then blending it nicely with a brush.
मरहम मरहम दिल पे लगा
Now to avoid any harsh line, going with a foundation brush on top of the end point of the blush application. Applying some blush on nose and chin as well.
मुझे ना पता है तुम्हें अगर पता हो बता देना
Now for lips, my favorite part, applying a lip liner, a dark brown lip liner.
तुम्हें अगर मिलूं तो बता देना खो न जाना मुझे देखते देखते तू ही जरिया
Then filling my lips with a lip oil or a lip tint. This particular tint gives a little glossy finish.
इतना बता तूने छुआ जख्मों को मेरे मरहम मरहम दिल पे
Now let this tint get a little dry. Meanwhile, I'm setting up my face with this Europe Girl face mist, applying it on a beauty blender and dabbing it all over the face.
बरसे भीगे आ जरा
The tint is dried down now, so now taking this Love Earth lip gloss and applying on top of that tint. These lip glosses are amazing lip glosses.
के लगा तूने छुआ जख्मों को मेरे
So this is it. This is my version of one done eyeshadow look. You can easily use your products and follow the technique to create your look. You can carry this look for office or for a casual party. To make it ethnic, just apply a bindi and you're good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell. I'll see you all next time.